My lords, it is pertinent to note that in the wake of COVID-19 pandemic, economic recession, and the recent EndSARS protests, government in all these has ensured that fundamental rights of the citizens are protected and preserved through the setting up judicial panels of inquiry to investigate cases of alleged fundamental rights violation committed by the operatives of dissolved Special Anti-Robbery Squad and other units of the Nigerian police. The government has ensured that every Nigerian citizen has access to ventilate and protect his or her rights. Currently, my lords, not less than 26 states have set up their judicial panel, while the National Human Rights Commission has, on 17th of October 2020, set up an independent investigative panel to investigate the alleged activities of the dissolved SARS.
Obedience of lawful court orders has no alternative in any sane society. A threat to this is simply to call for anarchy. I believe strongly that there is no right-thinking citizen of this country who will tread that path of infamy. We must respect and duly observe all the tenets of an enduring democracy. Nigeria is not a lawless society, and no one, irrespective of his or her status, should turn it into one. Most times, some persons who, by sheer stroke of providence, find themselves in position of authority, flagrantly disobey lawful court orders and even make a boast of it. Such acts will henceforth not be condoned. In fact, they will be met with severe consequences. We must extinguish such raging fire before it consumes us. Some people have now found pleasure in invading courtrooms and even assaulting judges. The correctional centers are not there for decoration. Such literally incorrigible and obstinate elements in our midst must be tutored in those centers to deter the several others eagerly waiting in the queue to embark on such inglorious expedition.
The survey, which was carried out by the Anti-Corruption Academy of Nigeria, the intellectual arm of the ICPC, ranked the judiciary at the top of the Nigerian Corruption Index between 2018 and 2020, and claimed that over 9 billion naira was offered to or demanded from and paid as bribe to judges by lawyers in Nigeria. This shows that there is still a lot of work to be done in rooting out this monster in our justice delivery system. It remains the position of the bar that the process prescribed by law for investigating and disciplining errant judicial officers and to preserve the dignity that attaches to the office of judicial officers must be handled by the NJC to secure the independence of the judiciary. That remains our position. The NJC must, however, continue to utilize and constantly oil the internal self-regulating powers vested in the council by law to weed out the few bad eggs who give the judiciary a bad name.